Hello everyone, this is Momita and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing about anti-nutrients in food. Yes, we have heard about anti-nutrients. They are present in animals and in many plant foods. They are actually naturally present in foods to protect, particularly in case of plants. They are actually built or they are formed in the plants to protect plants from bacterial infection or being eaten by insects, birds, grazing animals. So they are actually for protection of the plants. They have both benefits and also harms. When we have them in huge amount, we don't maintain a balanced diet, we suffer from lot of side effects of this anti-nutrients. But when we maintain a balanced diet, we are careful about how we are cooking and processing our food at home, we definitely enjoy benefits of these anti-nutrients. There are different types of anti-nutrients in food, in different foods. Like if we talk about glucosinolates or goitrogens, they are present in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts. They are present in these vegetables. So if we have these vegetables in huge amount every day, then we should be careful about our iodine intake. We might become iodine deficient. So in any meal where we are not having cruciferous vegetable, we should be careful about taking some iodized salt so that we don't lack iodine in our body. Another anti-nutrient that we want to talk here, lectins. Lectins are present in beans, peas, nuts. Now these lectins also they bind with minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and if we have them again in huge amount, our body don't get these minerals because they hold them back. They don't let these minerals being absorbed in our body. We become deficient in these minerals and they play a very important role in our body. Another anti-nutrient is oxalates. Oxalates are found in tea, beet, spinach, nuts, beans. These oxalates, they bind or they hold to calcium and some of the minerals. So if we have them in huge amount, and then our body start to develop stones in our urinary tract, that is definitely not good for us. So we should have them in balanced quantity in our diet. Another type of anti-nutrients are phytates. Phytates are present in seeds, whole grains, nuts, also beans. These phytates, they also bind with calcium, magnesium, zinc, and many other minerals. But these phytates also have some benefits in our body. Benefits that they give us is they help to lower cholesterol level in our body. They lower blood sugar level in our body. They make our digestion process slow and steady. So after having meal, we will not feel sleepy immediately. We will be having energy and that will be steady and that will help us work throughout the day with proper energy. And some of these anti-nutrients have some medicinal benefits in our body. Teas and coffees have tannins, so they have both positive and negative effect in our. Only thing that we have to do is balance our diet. So how do we do that? Like if we are someone having calcium supplement or mineral supplement in our diet, we should not have them immediately after a meal. We should have them after some hours so that these minerals are not held back by the anti-nutrients that we had in our meal. So these things we should be careful about. Apart from that, we should make sure whenever we are having seeds like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, we should soak them. We should soak them for some time. Soaking reduces anti-nutrients. For some of us who like to soak longer period of time, like overnight or one whole day, that process actually helps in germination. Seeds or whole grains or nuts, they start to germinate. So longer soaking is even more helpful because long soaking initiates or starts the process of germination, and germination also helps in lowering anti-nutrients in the foods. Sometimes when we cook spinach or beet, we should cook them for decent time period. Like if we are doing pressure cooking, we should cook at least for 3 minutes. Or if we are boiling them, we should boil for at least 15 minutes so that they are lowered and they are not completely removed. So we will be having them in balanced amount in our diet. There are two foods like avocados and egg. These two foods are very low in anti-nutrients, and that's why they are often recommended for kids. Kids can have them in good amount because kids needs a lot of nutrients for their growth and development. So there are different foods with different quantity of anti-nutrients and different varieties of anti-nutrients. So we should have a good balance in our diet. That's what we need for healthy life. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and keep blessing. Stay blessed.